Welcome back to JLove's toy review. And the review that we're doing today will be the Summer Infant My Size Potty for toddlers. It's pink and white with the white seat. And as you can turn the product around so you can be able to see. This product, it has the real sounds flush with the large, easy to remove and clean toilet seat, and it has a built-in wipe compartment for your wipes for your toddler. Also, we have the splash guard help contain your mess when your toddler is using the restroom. So you don't have mess and poop and stuff all over the bathroom floor. It's an easy to flip up seat because some seats is real hard to flip up with these toddlers. And then sometimes they can put the books and different toys inside of the top compartment so they can have toys. So when they use the restroom, they can sit there and have no problem with it. And let's open the product. Wanna open the product? Come on. Let's open. Look what we have. Yeah? Open it up. Let's see what we have. Here's the seat with the easy to flip up. Flat. We have the back of the seat here that we have to put it looks like a Phillips screw we have to put in there. This is the top. You can put the wipes here at the top here. Let me see what else is in here. And we have the directions, and we have the splash guard, and the nail that we have to put in here. Let me see. I can put this back on here so we can start using the seat for Jayla. Let's get this started. Help me with this here. You gonna say something, Jayla? You excited to use your toilet? I'm excited. You don't have to use all these Pampers. Mama. Let me screw this in. Wait 1 second. Alrighty. Now the back of the toilet is on here. It's easy to screw this in with that Phillips head. Alright, here's the top, yep. With the easy to sound flush on the toilet here. Now let's put the splash guard. Let me see how this goes. We might have to lift it. There we go. Easy as 1, 2, 3. We have the splash guard, the sound. We got to put some wipes in there so we can have some wipes. You putting the stuff back in the box. Now let's read what's on here. Let me see. As far as what the box contains, it contains everything from the splash guard that Jayla just took off. Here's the seat. It's real easy to clean. You just take it off, clean it, put it right back. Easy, easy, easy. And that's what you want for toddlers. Easy, easy, easy. Put the splash guard here. Have a seat, Jayla. Let's see how you look on the toilet. Look. You like it? Because I do. I love it. The age limit for this product here is up to 18 months. 18 months plus. And you can weigh up to 50 pounds max. You can see. Just get a close up on the box so you guys can see for yourself. Here's the other side. And that should be it for the review for this product. It's a great product. Hopefully it works great. We will see starting today. And you guys like, subscribe, comment. If it's good or bad, let me know what you guys think, and we will catch you in the next video.